What we've got here is new Sunvisors for the C5 Corvette. These came from Amazon. I just went and found the least expensive set on Amazon. I believe they are all the ones that you see on there are made by the same company. And you will notice that these do not have the warning sticker on it for the airbag. That's because I peeled it off. It comes off super easy. This is the warning label. It peels right off. It doesn't leave any sticky residue behind. And next we're going to install them in my car. Installation is fairly easy from what I've seen. I haven't done this before myself, so you're basically seeing it in real time. It takes one flat blade screwdriver to manipulate the mount and one small screwdriver to manipulate the electrical clip for the power for the light on the airbag. And then what you're seeing here is the clip that holds it in, and there's this slot right here that you fit your screwdriver into. And then you have to turn it with the visor, and as it turns around, it'll unsnap from the mounting in the header of the windshield. Unclip it from the clip on the end. And it drops down out of the hole. And my poor old junky sun visors are falling completely apart. Now what you can see on here is that this one, it's got 3 points on the mounting, but this one is flattened. And up inside the hole, the one mounting point on the hole is flattened, and that has to go slide in there when you put the new one back up in there and turn to lock it in. And then you fish out this connector for the electrical, and it has a small tab on it. You lift that little tab up and it'll unplug. Just like that, unplugs. The new one goes back in the reverse, of course, of the removal procedure. Plug this wire back in. I want to manipulate the plug. There's a place up in there that the wire will fit up in there. And that's it. Done deal. And have a nice new, smooth, clean, solid Sunvisor, made out of better materials than the original. Has LED lights inside. Very simple to install, nothing much to it. The worst part is trying to get that little plug back up in the little connector back up in the hole where you can finish putting the mounting back onto it. And that's all there is to it.